again. Today we want to make some tacos Dorados. In English is tacos crispy tacos. Okay, it's a half of the ground beef, 3 green onions, 4 onions, 1 garlic, and 1 serrano. Pepper and salt, and kicking chicken. You can buy this in Sam's Club, and this is roasted garlic and herb. You can buy it in Sam's Club. It's for the meat.
What was the first one again, Elizabeth?
Kicking chicken.
Kicking chicken, okay.
Kicking chicken. And next one is roasted garlic herbs.
And it's made by Weber, and you can get that at
Sam's Club or Costco.
Okay.
Green onions. Just cut it in a little bit, like this. And start that.
What do you call that tool?
Which one?
The thing you got in your hand, what is that?
Garlic mash.
Garlic smasher?
Yeah, garlic masher. Okay, now cook. Okay, I want to put some a little bit oil, not too much. Maybe about a spoon and a half. And with the meat. Let's put the meat.
Looks like about a pound of ground beef there.
Yes.
Well, that stove works really good.
Yeah, I guess. It's good. Taco Dorados. All Mexican love it. And American people, the gringos.
My favorite.
Yeah, you eat like a dozen. 1 docena tacos. Okay, I want to put and hide this thing, so.
Nice save.
I save my spoon. I need my wine.
Yeah.
You cook better when you're drinking. It's my thing. Okay, now you have to put some pinch pepper and a pinch the salt.
It looked like kind of a heavy
you can
pinch.
put some roasted garlic herbs, like maybe about a spoon. And chicken kicking. It's real nice, kind of like a spicy thing. I love it. It's right there.
Kicking chicken.
Kicking chicken.
Kicking chicken, putting it on ground beef.
These are spices. It's not chicken or whatever.
I guess doesn't sound good, kicking beef.
Well, it's pretty good. Good flavor. You know what, these taco dorados, a lot of people, Mexican people, use potato. Cut some potatoes and put it in there, okay?
Probably back in Mexico, you didn't have too much meat and you had to use potatoes.
Well, potato tacos is the best. Okay, now we're putting the Serrano green onions and white onions, okay, and garlic. Just mix it in the meat. Okay, almost done. Okay, the meat is done. So you can put 1 spoon the meat, and you have to hold it like this, okay? Put it one side, turn it just like that, put it on. Another one. Okay, now put the tacos, put the lettuce and tomatoes and cheese. Real easy. Cheese. Another one. Tomatoes and cheese. Cheese. Another one. Tomatoes and some cheese. Okay. Okay.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente con una pasión.